Zhuxin Machinery. Engineering drives every solution, and precision defines every process. Every design starts with real production needs. Every refinement brings greater stability, higher efficiency, and better performance. Steel takes shape. Precision takes control. From machining to final assembly, every process follows one uncompromising standard. Precision is not the destination. It is the language of manufacturing. An integrated solution connecting every stage of packaging production, delivering higher efficiency, consistent quality, reliable performance. Precision in every step, performance in every machine. Zhuxin Machinery, built on precision, driven by innovation.